a blood stain on the floor. You set your sights on him. You left a handprint on the door, like all the boys before, like all the boys before. This is our luck, baby, running out. Our clothes were never off. We still have our rooms to run about, to scale them up, to scale them up, to get us back on track. I've seen you in a fight you lost. I've seen you in a fight.
That shit you can move to. Yeah. I ain't worried about the critics, but why you tell your friends that I hit it, then I quit it? I'm just laid back, don't think I'm a party guy. And if you look at me, I bet I had you starry-eyed. What kind of car you drive, don't even know. Hard like UK shit, 20 below. And Miss Golding is exploding. I rebound, then it's rhyming with a nose ring. I get brain, no. High hater, no, main, no. My name Chitty and she know I'm gon' bang, no. And that's word to the UK. I keep it kicking and pushing like I was Luke Beck. My definition is high, I think it's Blu-ray. And I still could care less what you say. My last shorty, she was down to ride, and I killed her under the sheets. It was homicide.
We're under the sheets and you're killing me. In our house made of paper, your words all over me. We're under the sheets and you're killing me. We're in a mess, babe. We're in a mess, babe. You're more is less, babe.
And let me tell you what was crazy though. I fell in love with the shorty up on the radio. And what did I call her, a queen? Psychedelic shit got all kinds of green. Chitty bang, expand, we all on the scene. Used to be academic probation and deeds. Now we so in the machine. Toast to the queen. Tell you how it is, no ghost, I intervene. I float and get the cream, take it apart. And every time I try to fix it, I be breaking her heart. Think shit got worse when we made it to charts. Now it's different, need someone to tell her faces apart. Shorty, don't leave me, I make it so easy. She needs me, but I ain't locked down like Weezy. I make her give me one on the cheek, and she ain't over me yet, so I put her under the sheets.